Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
Did you sleep? Did you sleep,
Yeah,
Mela? Oh, okay, I see. And are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy?
yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Mela. By the way, can you tell me first, what did you do in the morning? What did you do in the morning, Mela?
To school.
Oh, you went to school. What time did you come home? What time did you come home, Mela?
I forgot.
What time did you go to school?
Um,
What time did you go to school, Mela? At 8?
six, six,
Okay, wait, let me see. Did did you what do you do at 11 a.m. in every Tuesday, Mela?
free time.
Is it your free time?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will ask your mom to move your schedule on Tuesday at 11. So you will come to class not feeling sleepy. Okay? Now, for today's class, Mela will proceed to page 45 and we'll continue talking about the pictures about the bird and the ant. Okay, so you're able to talk about one, two, three yesterday. So we'll continue talking about picture four now. Okay, so in here, the ant is climbing the tree branch. A strong wind blew the ant to the river below. The bird saw the ant in the water. Now, what about for picture four, Mela? What can you see here?
Um,
What's happening in picture four, Mela?
the bird,
Yeah, what about the bird? What did the bird do? The bird gave.
the bird gave and to a leaf.
Okay, yes, very good. The bird gave the ant a leaf. And what about in here? Picture five. What is the ant doing?
And um,
The
climb
ant?
the leaf.
Okay, the ant climbed up the leaf. And picture four, picture six, picture six.
Um, so and mm,
What about the ant, Mela? The ant waved. The
the
ant
ant
waved. Okay, the ant waved gratefully to the bird. Okay, so now the ant is safe. That is what happened there. Now proceeding, Nila, let us have this one. I want you to look at the picture and write 5 sentences about it. Okay. So if you don't feel like writing, it's okay if you tell me your answer directly. So we have here the word bank, Mela. You have to use at least one word in each sentence. Okay, here's the picture, and it's all about the caterpillar.
can I read it?
Yes, yes, you can.
Mm,
5 sentences, Mela. It has to be 5 sentences. Can you tell me
uh,
your first sentence, Mela?
uh, can you translate crawl?
Crawl, Mela.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Crawl.
bò,
Um,
The
the cast the caterpillar
the caterpillar
uh caterpillar um the caterpillar
is, what color is the
is
caterpillar, Mela? What color is the caterpillar? The caterpillar
green.
is green. Okay, the caterpillar is green. What else, Mela? Next sentence. Another one, Mela.
Um, the the
The
The butterfly
mhm.
have
Continue.
colorful.
Okay, the butterfly is colorful. Very good. Next one. Okay, so we're done with, okay, we're done with caterpillar. Okay, but you can always say caterpillar, Mela. Green, colorful. Okay. You can continue making another sentences using caterpillar and butterfly. What else, Mela? Last three sentences, please.
Um,
Where is the caterpillar? Where is the caterpillar? Where is it, Mela?
I don't know.
What do you call this one, Mela? What is it? What is it, Mela? It's a
Is
it's a leaf, right? It's a leaf. It's a leaf. But we have here the plural form leaves, Mela, leaves. So you can say the caterpillar. What does the what do caterpillars eat? What do caterpillars eat? Or where
mm,
is the caterpillar, Mela?
caterpillar is um caterpillar um um
Is on the
on the on the
on the
on the
leaf. Okay, the caterpillar is on the leaf. Now, next one, Mela.
uh,
What do Okay, wait. What do caterpillars eat?
Sâu bướm ăn gì?
mm,
Can you tell me?
caterpillar is
Eats, Mela eats. The caterpillar eats eats
is
what? What does it eat? Leaves, Mela.
okay.
Okay, the caterpillar eats leaves. Last one, Mela. Last one.
Um,
Last sentence, Mela. The caterpillar. See, as you can see, we have here the caterpillar and then an arrow, Mela, pointing to the butterfly, which means from caterpillar, it will turn into a butterfly. Can you make a sentence about it? The caterpillar
Caterpillar um,
turns.
turns a butterfly.
Okay, turns into a beautiful. Okay, a beautiful butterfly. Okay, that is the process, Mela. It has to be a caterpillar before it'll become a beautiful butterfly. There you have it, and we're done making 5 sentences. So we'll proceed now to another activity. Mela, in here, I want you to use your imagination to answer the questions.
Hãy dùng trí tưởng tượng của bạn để trả lời các câu hỏi.
Okay, now in here, Mela, I want you to imagine that you are a fruit tree. Okay, a fruit tree. When we say fruit tree, Mela, these are trees that bear fruits. Okay, like for example, apple, orange, okay, mangoes. Now, what kind of fruit tree would you be, Mela? What kind of fruit tree would you be? Do you understand the question, Mela? Do you
I
understand? What is it?
I want um
You want?
um uh uh
You want
I
what,
think
Mela? You want to be a banana tree?
no.
What do you want to be then?
Um,
What do you want to be then, Mela?
uh, 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 uh,
Yes, you want to be what kind of fruit tree would you be?
Bạn sẽ là loại cây ăn quả nào?
Can
I
you tell
think
me?
I think apple.
Oh, you want to be an apple. Okay. What color would your fruits be? What color of apple are you? Yes, Mela. What color would your fruits be? We have different colors of apples, right? See? So, what color would you be, Mela? Do you want to be pink? Or you want to be red or maybe green? Mela, what color? What color, Mela? What color would your fruits be? It would be what? I can't hear you clearly, Mela. What color?
Green.
Green? Did you say green? Then where would you be planted, Mela? If you are an apple tree, where do you want to be planted? Where would you be planted, Mela? Where would you be planted, Mela? Can you tell me? You want to be planted in the forest, in the on the mountains, in a farm? No, I can't hear you clearly, Mela. Can you move near your microphone or near your device? Where do you want to be planted, Mela? Are you still sleepy, Mela? Can you hear me, Mela?
Hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Can you tell me where would you want to be planted?
Planted.
Yes. Where?
In a garden.
Oh, in a garden. Okay. Can you tell me again what color would you want your fruits to be, Mela? Did I hear it correctly earlier? Green? Did you say green?
Green, yeah.
Ah, okay. Why? Do you like green, Mela? Is your favorite color green? Mela?
Uh,
Is your favorite color green?
no.
Oh no, what's your favorite color?
Black and blue.
Oh, black and blue, but we don't have that as an apple. Okay, thank you so much. You can sleep now, Mela. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.